In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how we set up Cruise Pilot within the CBIS display. And basically, the starting point here is from this. We're going to scroll over to the gear icon, select OK, and we're going to go to the second to the left icon, which is the combine-looking symbol with the arrow in it, and press OK. And from here, we're going to go ahead and engage the master switch, is what we're going to do here at this function. And basically, the master switch turns on the ability of the autopilot button here on the joystick to also control Cruise Pilot. So when you turn on your auto steer, it'll also turn on Cruise Pilot. That's what we're doing here with this switch. Then if I go over one more position to the right, this is where you select the control strategy. And there's three different options within the CBIS display. There's Cruise Control, which maintains a constant ground speed. There's Output, which maintains a constant throughput of material through the combine. And then there's the throughput option. The throughput's typically what we try to operate in Cruise Pilot most of the time. And that's a monitored throughput, which means that we're monitoring the crop material going through the feeder house. We're monitoring the engine load and also the loss sensors. And we're maximizing the combine speed based on those three factors. If you're operating in cruise control, you'll go to the next icon over, and this is where you'll set your targeted ground speed. If we go over to the next icon, if you're doing throughput, this is where you enter in the throughput. And this is just a scale of 10 to 150, and you'll just select your value of what throughput you want to have going through the machine. That's just a arbitrary number, and if you want more throughput, you turn the dial to increase the amount of throughput. The next icon here is we also need to learn what zero throughput is. So we will engage the combine separator and feeder house. And then we'll press OK here, and this will actually learn what zero throughput looks like in the combine. The next symbol over is we also have the ability to set the maximum speed that we will ever go with Cruise Pilot. For example, this combine is currently set up to max out at 6 miles per hour. What this means is even if we're not achieving the throughput we want to maintain, it will only go up to 6 miles per hour trying to find that throughput. And then the next symbol here is just our sensitivity, and that's just how aggressive we are at making changes to the speed based on the control setup we're running in. And that's the basic how you set up Cruise Pilot within the CBIS display.